How to log in Darwinbox employee account. So if you want to log into a Darwinbox employee account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser at first, and on your browser you need to search for Darwinbox. Log in Darwinbox employee account, and here you need to go with the first option, which is the login section, and it will open up the website. It will take you to the login page, and you will have this kind of interface on the right side. So first, on the first blank, you need to enter your email or the employee ID. And once you enter the email or the employee ID, you need to go with your password, which will be on the second one. And after that, you can either go with a dashboard or task box or leaves, attendance, vibe, and every other options which are right here, whichever option that you would like to go. And after that, if you want to turn on this remember me, you can go and turn it on and just click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, then if your information is correct, then it will sign you into your account. But if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password by following the on-screen instructions. So once you enter your information, go with sign in and you will be signed in. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.